Hey everyone, today I have for you this really great hair dryer. It has 2 speeds for heat and 1 speed for cool. It comes with these cool attachments. One is a little bit shorter than the other one for this one, as you can see the length for what you might want to be using it for. It also comes with this cool attachment here. Hold on just a second. And so the attachment goes on like this, as you can see. And here you have your setting here for cool, low heat, high heat. Here's your intake. Overall, it does a great job. It has a lot of heat coming out of it, but not too much where it's like gonna burn your scalp or whatever. It has a lot of air coming out of it as well, so it can really blow dry your hair pretty quickly. The cool feature is great, just to fluff hair if that's what you need to do. These simply go on with a simple twist, and they're ready to go. This is the box if they come in here. Here are some of the features here. It's a professional hair dryer. It has advanced technological design. It has an AC motor of 1800 to 2000 watts, even heat distribution, ergonomically balanced and quiet performance. It dries hair evenly and quickly. It has 2-piece nozzles included, 2.5 meter professional cord. It has a cool shot button, and an overheating protection device, which means it'll shut off if it gets too hot. This is a really great price for a really great quality hair dryer. You'll pay a lot more for this for a similar hair dryer that doesn't even have these attachments with it. You can definitely tell by the quality of the motor and the strength of the heat and the blower itself that this is not just an ordinary cheap hair dryer that you get in a department store.